Can you believe this fucking weather? It was really pouring a little while ago. It made recording impossible. And what's going on is Robin has an appointment right now at 8 o'clock. Being that it's 8:30 now, she may just be going in, she might be just coming out, God knows. These doctors are weird. So I just wanted to say a few things for today. For Russell's Holly blog. I think I'm getting raindrops on my lens, to be honest with you. But hey, that's kind of romantic, right? Right? Atmospheric, as it were, maybe. I threw a whammy on this parking lot. I called the inspector about this parking lot. So, look at that poor guy. You call that a job? What the fuck is that? You'd have to, oh no, there's my poor crazy girl, all wet. She ain't shouting now. Oh, I feel terrible for her. I had such a grudge against her for so long because she woke me up at like 3 in the morning on a work night once with her screaming and carrying on. But now, you know, I've actually known this person for years now, and grudge time is over. Oh, little birdie. I hope y'all caught it on lens. Flew right by the camera. How many spots? 1, 2, 3, 4. $49. What bullshit. What's that van over there? That's what I'd like to know. That's where all the action is, in the van. See the van over there? That's where all the action is. Look at this schlemiel. He's working this parking lot. Can you believe that poor guy? This guy's taking his work sign away. Yeah, you know where you can put that work sign? I hate them so much, construction workers. I just hate them with a loathing. We've got enough fucking buildings. And we've got enough track housing. And the developers have made enough billions and zillions off the backs of the people of this city. So just stop already. There, I said it. Well, let me get off of here, download it onto my page before Robin gets home. My mother's having surgery today, so I have to stay close to the phone. That's about it. I'm not going out in this shit, that's for goddamn sure. Maybe after I talk to a family member, probably my father, about what's going on. That cabbie's trying to pick up that crazy one. You Armenians. Maybe he's trying to help her. I've had cabbies try to help me when I was in bad situations. So I retract that statement. Anyway, gotta go. Hugs and kisses to all. Bye-bye.